Apples dipped in honey, layered over honey-infused cream cheese on a thin pizza dough base instead of pastry, turn this apple tart into a savory, low-sugar treat. Bring your chilled pizza dough to room temperature while you prepare your ingredients. Unfold your cream cheese from its wrapper and slide it into your mixing bowl. Twist half a lemon and pour 1 tablespoon lemon juice over your cream cheese. Drizzle 2 tablespoons honey over top. With a hand mixer, beat until fluffy. Peel your apples and cut in thin wedges. Pour your remaining 1 tablespoon of lemon juice over your apples. Sprinkle in cinnamon spice. Drizzle your honey over top. Gently fold your ingredients into your apples until they are well blended. Lightly flour a flat surface. Cut your room temperature pizza dough in half to equal 325 grams or 12 ounces and turn out onto your floured surface. Using a rolling pin, roll out your dough. If your dough springs back, allow it to rest a while longer, then smooth it out and into shape by hand into an oval roughly 16 inches by 8 inches or 40 centimeters by 20 centimeters. Roll your dough partially onto your rolling pin for easier transfer to your parchment paper lined baking sheet. Pile your cream cheese into the center of your dough and smooth out into a thin layer, leaving about 1.5 inches or 4 centimeters margin of uncovered dough. Begin layering your apple slices in the center, fanning them out into a swirl pattern. Continue adding apple slices to your swirl by tucking them under the other apple slices until all your apple slices are fanned out over your cream cheese filling. With a sharp paring knife, slice your dough into 3/4 inch or 2 centimeter wide strips of 3. Braid your dough strips left over center, right over center, leaving a little dough at each end. Fold your braid back and tuck alongside your cream cheese covered dough. Don't worry about braiding perfectly. This artisan style tart will look imperfectly gorgeous. Cut 3 strips, braid, tuck alongside the apple covered dough and arrange the closest end piece of the previous braid under the new braid. Continue until all your edge dough is braided. Brush egg white along the braided edge. Sprinkle with a little granulated white sugar. Bake in your oven for 18 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. When your baked, honey-dipped apple tart has cooled to room temperature, it's ready to serve. Drizzle a little honey on a serving plate and sprinkle with cinnamon. Cut your slice with a bread knife and slide your serving carefully onto your decorated and garnished plate. And here is your serving of under 300 calories, honey-dipped apple tart. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the notifications bell to get all the latest under 300 calories recipes.